Welcome to our 11 Labs workshop, Lesson 6. Now the process in Pictory starts with adding your text, and you'll be entering your text into the script editor. Once your script is entered, Pictory.ai will choose certain video clips to match your script, and you'll see this in your canvas. What will happen after Pictory starts the process is that you will have an audio section. In the audio section, you will see that you will have a voiceover available. It's here where you can choose a voiceover from 11 Labs to use in your video project. And you'll see the premium voices here from 11 Labs here in this area. You'll then choose to apply one of the voices. So for example, if we choose to apply a specific voice, Pictory will then apply that voice. Now this is another voice from 11 Labs that we are applying here in this area. And once our voice is applied, we can then use that voice and we can listen to the voice here in the preview tab.
In the realm of consulting, frameworks serve as the backbone of analysis and strategy development. They offer a structured way to dissect complex business problems, identify bottlenecks, and prioritize.
So Pictory will go through the process of matching up your audio with your text. And all of that happens inside a Pictory. So if you find that the AI doesn't work in the audio that's produced, you'll need to try to work those issues out in the script. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Head on over to incommonhumans.com for more free masterclasses.